Okay, so this is Project 1B. I have been doing a little brainstorming about time, and a few of the ideas that came to mind were there's a photo of my sister and my cousin and me in like a blow-up raft eating pudding pops when we were kids at Myrtle Beach. And so I wrote that down and I kind of went down the pudding pop path for a few minutes. When Christina mentioned snow ice cream, that immediately brought back all the feelings. I grew up in Chicago, and so there was not a shortage of snow in the wintertime. And my dad used to, he wasn't around much, but sometimes he would, in the wintertime, he would make snow cream for us. And so that was a fond memory. My freshman year of college was all about Snapple fruit punch and Lunchables. Every Friday, my kids and I go have treat day Friday after they get out of school. And we usually hit the drive-through of this local bakery, and the kids usually get sugar cookies and I usually get a double chocolate brownie. But what I decided on after brainstorming and kind of going down all those roads was when my husband and I were dating, for some reason we were very into Mountain Dew Live Wire and mint Oreos. And so I decided to pull on that thread and see where I landed. Here's sort of my brainstorming page that I made. I think I decided early on to kind of take the mint out of it. Although I do think that mint and chocolate and mint and orange and chocolate and orange go together. I don't know if the three do together. So I kind of made the executive decision to ditch the mint. Although now that I'm saying that out loud, I may throw that back into one of the trials. So for fat, definitely butter. Sugars, I'm gonna try to incorporate that Live Wire soda if I can find it. I don't know if they even make it anymore. But I also thought about using molasses and even ginger in the cookie, so we'll see about that. And then maybe orange jello, like the powder mix somewhere, to see how that affects both the flavor and the texture. As far as extracts, I was definitely gonna try out some orange and maybe some vanilla together, but I also want to put the flavor of ginger in there somewhere. And see what that does. For flour, I feel like I'll probably just stick with all-purpose flour, although the thought occurred to me to use animal crackers and grind those down and see what kind of texture and flavor that gives to the whole experiment. And then as far as mix-ins, another treat that my husband and I indulged in when we were dating and on many road trips since then is Mike and Ike's. And so I thought it would be fun to try and use orange Mike and Ike's or orange slice candies. And then maybe some mini chocolate chips, either in the dark or the semi category. So those are my thoughts so far. I'm excited to get going.